Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Marvel Reza Putra.
My name is Ekana Fadlatunisa.
My name is Awia Paramita.
My name is Muhammad Erlangga Nugraha.
My team and I are going to mention at least one sound from each category from the IPA table, which are from the vowels of the diphthongs and the monophthongs, and also a sound from the consonant. Before we actually mention the sounds, I am going to explain to you a little bit about diphthongs and monophthongs. So what is a diphthong? A diphthong, also known as a gliding vowel or a vowel glide, is a combination of two adjacent vowel sounds within the same syllable. So technically, a diphthong is a vowel with two different targets. That is, the tongue moves during the pronunciation of the vowel. While a monophthong is a pure vowel sound, or one whose articulation at beginning and end is relatively fixed, with the tongue moving neither up nor down, and neither forward nor backward, towards a new position of articulation.
Air, hat,
Above,
E. Ship.
ear,
air, hair,
A. Day.
fish,
the, day,
Moon.
And that is just about everything that we can give to all of you. Thank you, and I hope you learned something new from what we did. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.